How to delete apps on iPhone iOS 18.5. Let's get started. First, head over to any of the app that you want to delete. All you have to do is press and hold on the app. Now, different options will appear. Select the option Remove App. Click on Delete App. Now, click on Delete. With that, the selected app will be deleted. Now, you can navigate to the App Store, search for the app, and install it. In case you are unable to find the option Remove App, what you have to do is you will need to fix these settings. For that, launch your Settings app. Now, scroll down, navigate to the option Screen Time. Head over to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, click on the option App Store Media, Web, and Games. Click on the option Apps. Check in for the option 17 plus. Now you can head back. Now click on the option iTunes and App Store purchases. Here you're gonna find the option Deleting Apps. Click on that and check in for the option Allow. With these customization, you'll be good to go. Now you can head towards any of the app that you wanna delete. Press and hold on it. Now you will be getting the option Remove App. So this is how you can easily delete apps on iPhone iOS 18.5. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.